Hey, so what's up, YouTube? I'm about to head out to Temecula to M Shop. Brand's gonna be up there. He's gonna help me install some stuff on my bike. But on the way up there, I'm gonna meet up with Fat. Hopefully everything fits on the bike. But yeah, stay tuned to see the parts. So I just pulled up to Fat's crib, waiting for him to come out. He worked the midnight shift, so he might be tired, but we'll see if he's still down to go out. It's a little bit sprinkling, but I'm not gonna say nothing. Let's see. I know he don't like riding in the rain or the cold or far. I guess he said he is down to ride. I was surprised, but yeah. Alright, I take it back. He's down to ride in the rain, in the cold.
Yeah, of course, bro.
I know he's down to ride far, but, you know, some of the homies don't like riding far in the cold or in the rain. But, yeah. It's not raining, but it is sprinkling. A little bit. Looks like misty. Alright. Airing his tires. This is Fast Bike. It's, what year is this?
21.
2021 Street Bob.
114, baby.
Hey, you like having both wheels?
No.
Me neither.
But it looks better though.
It looks cool, but fuck, man, I hate the fact that it's two.
Yep.
Yeah, so we made it up to Temecula. Brian right here working on his truck. But yeah, there goes Fat trying to race street bikes.
Hey, show the front. Show Brent's butt.
Look at this. Look at this car, dude. That's it.
Get the King shocks.
Papi now. Look at that, dude.
Show the King shocks, the wheels. Do the front end. The front end is sick.
This is Brand's right here. Not only does he have a Lowrider ST, but he also has this. Bro, look at that. That is sick, bro. That's right. So if you guys don't know, Brand's a mechanic. This one works on cars, off-road vehicles, and all kinds of stuff, man.
Who's this guy?
This is M Shop, right? M Shop. This is M Shop. You guys have probably seen him in the other videos. But if you guys are in Temecula or in San Diego, hit up True Motive for all your vehicle needs.
No shit.
But legit. But yeah. Alright, man, I'm gonna put my stuff down and say what's up to the homies. But yeah. True Motive. That if you guys are in Temecula, hit these fools up, man, they're legit.
What the fuck? 190?
What?
Who's
dude?
this? Yours?
Yeah, that's mine, dude.
Wait, who's this people?
I got a whole bunch of text messages and unread emails. 4,000 emails.
Dude, that's not normal, bro.
Those are group chats, dog. I'm in a lot of group chats. I don't reply on group chats, dog. It's too
Not
much.
normal, bro. Can I look at it?
Go ahead, I don't care.
What the fuck?
Boom, police.
No, it's just one person, bro.
I'm going through my phone right now.
Look at this shit.
Sorry. So we're putting these on.
Wait, go back to your thing. I want to record that.
Why? And then after that, we're gonna lift the fronts. So the fronts are gonna be this.
Hey, can you do it for me real quick?
What?
Or just open it real quick.
Why? Easy peasy, that hella fast too. Yeah, those are just bolt-ons, huh?
Yeah.
And then the front, that's gonna be tricky for me anyway. I don't know what to do with that.
Oh yeah, the fun part.
Fuck, I think so. Do I have to compress it?
Shit. No, I just want to you probably have to.
Squeeze it in, huh?
Oh, that's like the coilover.
Yeah, it's like
a
a
fucking
coilover,
You gotta take wrap the tool like this.
And then two little hooks. Little,
Yeah.
little hook tools. It might
That
work,
should be
though.
the
It's just
same.
a hook, yeah. It's just a hook. Yeah, it is.
Same.
He got it off. Fat got it off. And Bren. Boom.
Let's see there. The way that freaking it does the swing arm.
That's it. Nice. Reservoir.
Yeah, I'm good.
Huh?
So you don't hurt your back. That should hurt your back.
Oh, you're gonna feel big, dude.
Yeah, you think so? I hope so. I hope so.
Like,
That's a big ass.
Real shit right there.
That's what I'm looking for now.
It makes it much better.
Yeah. Alright. A little side step.
I don't think. Let me see if there's a filter.
You guys change it
I
oil
thought
really
he probably
quick.
has Toyota.
But the bike is starting to look dope. Looks tight. And then after that, we have to lift the fronts. Oh.
It's good.
Yeah, so it looks like we're gonna try to break this loose, right, Brent? And then try to see if it lifts up.
Yeah.
Nice. See, dude, it's good to have mechanics as friends, dude. He's doing oil change and lifting a bike at the same time. It's good. Oh, you're in the video. It's cool. That's M's sister. If you guys did see a girl here, that's M's sister, by the way.
Hey, no filter, right, Brent?
Huh? I ordered it to see. Let's see if they deliver.
He's coming?
He's at. I heard him. He was at his parents'.
Oh, Ty, is he coming here?
Let me see. I think he might come.
Oh,
by.
hey, that's
Let me
tight.
see.
Let's see. Well,
You're on the throttle. You don't want that.
it makes sense. That's crazy that this is looser than the plates. Oh. It was easier to get off than the plates.
I think that's the one. Oh, there is.
Is there more?
Oh yeah, it's on the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dang.
I told you. You're like, nah, it's cool.
I know.
I'm like, huh?
I think he's gonna pop off. Is he gonna pop off harder or what?
Nah.
If it pops out, it's gonna break his hand.
Fuck.
You want a towel?
No, it's not. It's not like that. It's just.
Boom.
I know, that's what I'm expecting. So we just gotta take these two off, replace it, and then lift the triple tree up. That's a lot of work though. Fuck, yeah. So that's the old one. Oh, there has to be oil in it?
No, there's oil in there already.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's the difference. This is the old one, and then these are the two new ones that we're replacing. That's tight.
Oh yeah, this is.
Easy?
Way easier than M's.
Well, we don't know yet.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's way easier.
What the hell?
Hell yeah. Is lifting it up pretty easy?
Yeah, you just gotta raise it. But the only thing with your lines,
Yeah.
That's what I was telling him.
it's the bottom from the calipers to the this little
that?
plate.
Oh.
That's why mine's disconnected.
It's on again. No, you're good. That's tight though, man. Got it up. Fuck yeah. You can tell it's lifted because of that now. Fucking brand, bro. Sick, man.
Not a motorcycle mechanic.
Woohoo. Shit's hard. Thanks, brand. Fucking brand, dog.
It looks the same.
Shut up. That shit's tight. Oh yeah. Sick.
What did Chris
That's
get?
what he got. That's what he got. Exactly that. The fish.
Oh, it's a big thing?
I think
then
so,
we
from
should
what
do
I
a share.
remember. No, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, fucking Brad hooked it up, Ty. Fuck, man. Hey, but it's a little stiff, man. I just gotta work on it and then see. I don't know too much about suspension, but I'll figure it out, I think. All right, man, I'm gonna go grub. Food's getting cold.